Rightly said, agreement never perform, only people can. Hello all the viewers. Our team Tech Twisters is developing an IoT based e-health monitoring system which aims to reduce the barrier present in the current medical science scenario. Some of the problems that this kit will solve are: first, it will really ease the problem faced by the old peoples by giving them a chance to have daily health diagnosis. Second, it reduces the gap between the cities and the villages by giving significant features. Third, it allows the youth population to have their day-to-day health checkup. So now let's move forward with the technical demonstration.
Here to measure and display the heart rate and blood oxygen, we have used the TI microcontroller CC3200 and non-TI components like 16 by 2 LCD display and MAX 30100 pulse oximeter sensor. The data is sent to the display using 4-bit parallel connection, and to get the data from sensor I2C bus is used. Hello everyone. Now let's go through the smart medicine box of our e-health monitoring system. Here we can see Medbox, which consists of two compartments, a display, a push button and a pulse oximeter sensor to measure heart rate and blood oxygen. So let's turn on the medicine box. So now it's turning on. And now it's showing time for next medicine dosage. So now it's time to take medicines. So we can hear the medbox is continuously alarming the user to take medicine. So when the user presses the switch, the buzzer will turn off and opens the compartment which contains the medicine for particular time. And after taking the medicines from the compartment, it will automatically turn off and stores the data that medicine has been taken from the medbox. After this, user will be asked to measure his pulse rate and blood oxygen. User can also measure these parameters whenever he wants. He just has to push the button and place his finger on sensor. So here we can see the measured heart rate and blood oxygen data. Now in the end, it displays that in how much time the user has to take next dosage.
Now let's come to the app part, which shows the medicine intake status of the patient of that day. At the app UI, in the first line it shows today's date and the current time. Here are 4 medicines which the user have to take at 4 different times of the day. Like the first one is for the morning time, second one is for the noon, third one for the evening, and the last one is for the night time. The next column shows the medicine intake time, and at that time the alarm will ring. The last column shows the status if the user has taken the medicine or not. User can also change the medicine intake time if she needs. When the user takes the particular medicine from the medicine box, the acknowledgement is reflected on the status bar.
Let's move to our health monitoring companion app, which is a crucial part of our system. So let's see how it works. First of all, user should have an account. If user don't have one, then he can create it by signing up. Now he can easily log in using credentials. After this, user can easily check all of his health parameters and other informations which are measured using a smartband and user's mobile phone. Except BMI. For BMI, user has to enter his weight and height. As all of this measured data is being shared with the doctor, so for the proper communication between the doctor and the user, there is an option through which user can easily consult with the doctor, and based on the user's health data in the cloud, the doctor will provide report and suggestions to the user. For emergency situations, there is a SOS feature in our app. To use this feature, user has to add some of his closed ones contact number only once. After that, it allows user to inform family members, friends or relatives that he is in medical emergency by sending current location through SMS.
Here you can see the prototype of our smartwatch. It shows time and date in digital format. It shows time in analog format also. Here is the temperature, pollution levels and the weather condition. The smartwatch also shows the notification received at the user's mobile phone. Like if you send a WhatsApp message, let's type it. In the user's mobile phone, the notification has come. Now you can find on the OLED screen the notification. Yes, here it shows WhatsApp and the sender's name and the message. If anybody calls to the user, then a calling notification will display on the OLED screen of the smartwatch. A person can also check his present health condition, which is stored to the database by the sensors by pressing the health option on the menu. User can also use the smartwatch as a calculator. It performs most of the common used arithmetic and trigonometric functions. Here are some examples. Using this, one can also control the smart appliances of his or her home, like smart light, fan, AC, TV, etc. User can send quick replies to anybody, but for this he has to save the replies previously in the database through the mobile application, and he has to select the person whom he wants to send quick replies. With the help of Find Device option, the smartwatch helps the user to find his mobile phone. For the entertainment purpose, or if the user becomes bored, he or she can play some interesting games on the watch. Here you can find a most common game named Tic Tac Toe.